Close your eyes for a moment and imagine a soft morning light slipping through lace curtains. Somewhere in a quiet home, a little girl twirls in front of a mirror, her laughter filling the room like gentle music. Her dress moves with her, light, delicate, and lovingly made. It's not just a frock, it's a story woven stitch by stitch, a memory wrapped in yarn, a promise of warmth, care, and timeless beauty. This is where crochet begins, not as fashion, but as love shaped by patient hands. Crochet girl frocks have always carried something special. They hold the magic of childhood, the innocence of first smiles, and the comfort of being wrapped in something handmade. In today's world of fast fashion, crochet frocks stand apart, bringing us back to slower moments, softer textures, and designs that feel personal. The latest crochet girl frock designs are not only beautiful but meaningful, each one telling a story of creativity, tradition, and modern charm. One of the most enchanting things about modern crochet girl frocks is how they blend classic elegance with fresh new ideas. Designers are reimagining traditional patterns and giving them a contemporary twist. Soft pastel shades like blush pink, lavender, mint green, and creamy ivory dominate the latest designs, creating a dreamy and romantic look perfect for little girls. These colors feel gentle on the eyes and give frocks a fairy tale softness that never goes out of style. The silhouettes of crochet girl frocks have also evolved beautifully. A-line frocks remain a favorite, flowing gracefully and allowing easy movement for playful days. Layered crochet frocks are trending too, combining different stitch patterns to create texture and depth. Some designs feature a fitted crochet bodice with a softly flared skirt, offering a perfect balance of structure and freedom. These frocks are designed not just to look beautiful, but to let children move, play, and explore comfortably. Sleeve designs are another area where creativity shines. Delicate cap sleeves with scalloped edges add a romantic touch, while puffed crochet sleeves bring a vintage charm that feels straight out of a storybook. Sleeveless crochet frocks are perfect for warm days, allowing the intricate stitchwork to stand out. For cooler weather, long-sleeved crochet frocks made with lightweight yarn provide warmth without feeling heavy, making them both practical and stylish. Necklines in the latest crochet frock designs are soft and elegant. Rounded necklines remain popular, often decorated with tiny crochet flowers or subtle lace-like details. Peter Pan collars made from fine crochet add a classic old-world feel that parents adore. Some modern designs feature V-neck or square neck patterns, carefully shaped to remain child-friendly while adding a touch of sophistication. What truly makes crochet girl frocks special is the detailing. Handcrafted flowers, tiny bows, shell stitches, and popcorn textures are lovingly added to give each frock a unique personality. Some frocks feature floral motifs climbing gently across the bodice, while others use geometric crochet patterns for a modern, artistic look. These details don't overwhelm the design. Instead, they enhance the frock's charm and tell a quiet story of patience and skill. Crochet frocks for special occasions have become especially popular in recent years. Birthday frocks with layered skirts and decorative waistbands feel magical and celebratory. Christening and naming ceremony frocks often use pure white or soft cream yarn, symbolizing purity and new beginnings. For weddings, crochet frocks in pastel tones with pearl-like buttons and delicate edging create a look that is both elegant and heartwarming. Everyday crochet frocks are also seeing exciting new designs. Simple yet stylish patterns focus on comfort and durability while maintaining beauty. These frocks are perfect for school events, family outings, or casual playdates. Using breathable cotton yarns ensures that the frocks remain soft on sensitive skin, making them ideal for all-day wear. Parents love that these frocks are easy to wash, long-lasting, and can even be passed down to younger siblings. Another beautiful trend in crochet girl frocks is the focus on sustainability. Handmade crochet clothing encourages slow fashion and mindful creation. Instead of mass-produced garments, each crochet frock is made with intention, care, and love. This not only reduces waste, but also teaches the value of craftsmanship. When a child wears a crochet frock, she carries a piece of art, something made by hand, not machine. Modern crochet designers are also playing with yarn textures and thickness. Lightweight yarns create airy, breathable frocks perfect for summer, while slightly thicker yarns add structure and warmth for cooler seasons. Blended yarns with subtle sheen add a luxurious touch, making crochet frocks suitable even for formal occasions. The choice of yarn transforms the entire feel of the frock, proving how versatile crochet really is. One of the most heart-touching aspects of crochet girl frocks is the emotional connection behind them. Many frocks are made by mothers, grandmothers, or loved ones, turning each piece into a keepsake. These frocks often become treasured memories, saved in boxes, passed through generations, or brought out for special moments. Even when purchased, crochet frocks carry the warmth of handmade tradition. As little girls grow, crochet frocks grow with them, not just in size, but in meaning. A frock worn for a first birthday may later remind a family of laughter, photos, and joyful moments. The softness of the yarn, the careful stitches, and the gentle fit all come together to create something timeless. Crochet doesn't rush, it flows, just like childhood itself. The latest crochet girl frock designs celebrate individuality. No two frocks are exactly the same, and that uniqueness mirrors the uniqueness of every child. Whether it's a bold color choice, a playful pattern, or a delicate embellishment, each frock reflects personality. This is what makes crochet fashion so special. It doesn't follow trends blindly, it creates them with heart. In a world that moves quickly, crochet reminds us to slow down, to appreciate the beauty of handmade things, to find joy in small details. Crochet girl frocks are more than clothing. They're expressions of love, creativity, and care. They wrap little girls in comfort while letting them shine in their own gentle way. And as the little girl from our story twirls once more, her crochet frock catching the light, we realize something beautiful. Fashion can be fleeting, but handmade love lasts forever. Every stitch holds a wish, every pattern carries a dream, and every crochet frock tells a story, soft, romantic, and endlessly precious.